could happen. Okay, market is coming. Make it a little bit more faster. Look, so what happened? When it says about the preciseness, this
Very precise.
say it. So,
Yes, sir.
so this is what we have for our precising thing, like which is like very fast, moving to 85 pips. Okay, 85 pips.
Okay.
That's how we do very precise trade. We look fresh area and whatnot. We will learn it through session by session. Okay, session by
Okay.
session. Anyway, now you ready to start our new session, new topic, sir?
Absolutely. Let's
Okay.
do
So we are going to have more fun, whatever we had in yesterday or the last session. Okay.
it. Okay.
So question is, do you know what is A level and what is V level?
A level and B level?
I mean V level, not V level.
V level. Oh,
Right.
yes, yes.
Do you know that?
Yes, the support and
The support.
well, it's the engulfing sell and engulfing buy.
Normally, no, it's not like it is not like that way also. Like, look at this. Like, you cannot say, look, very common thing, very common thing. You can say it's an engulfing buy, right? It's an engulfing buy, right, sir?
Right. But only
And
at the swing high and swing
right,
low.
and it's also an engulfing buy, right? So at the same time, if you go to the line chart, you may say it's a very nicest way to identify as a V level, right? So
Yes.
it is not mandatory to have engulfing as a V level. So what we have in here,
Oh, okay.
see.
Oh,
So
okay.
this is still a V level, but it's not an engulfing. Understood, sir?
Yes.
So that means I can say your AV level is cleared, right? So we are not going to talk about the gap level. Gap level is something that we will talk about when we are going to learn the direction, or in between any session we need to cover. We will cover the gap. Today gap is not important. Okay, sir.
Okay.
So what we say is for today's lesson we need two things only. First we need to know what is A and what is V. Okay. So
Okay.
seems like you already know what is A and what is V. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now same question I'm going to ask you on here, which is if you say look at we have very carefully what we have on here.
It's an A level.
Right here. Okay, it's not an engulfing, but it's an A. So which is like every engulfing is a or, either A or V level, but every A or V level is not the engulfing. Okay.
Yes. Okay.
So we have the A level. Very clearly we are seeing it. And what happened on here? Few people call it RVS, right? Resistance becomes support.
Resistance becomes support. Yes, sir.
So we do not use those terms. We do not use those terms. For us, it's just a breakout. Just a breakout. Breakout of what? Breakout of that pretty previous A level. Got it?
Okay.
Yes, in a sense, you can say it like it's become my RBS, like my resistance becomes support. So we are not going to use in details way of that kind of support and resistance. We are mainly going to focusing on the breakout, 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 breakout.
Okay. I like that.
Right. So
I like keeping it simple. Less terms, the better.
right. So what it is like this is a very common thing for gold. Like it will give you a breakout, then it just there is the breakout, right? There is the breakout, and it will be here. So that means it happened as a pullback, right? Pullback.
Right.
And you will see most of the time gold does this, like it give you a breakout, it come to as a pullback, then it's your entry area, give a breakout, pullback, and it's an entry area, give a breakout, pullback, and it's the entry area. You understand, sir?
Yes.
So but the way I said it's very easy, looks like very easy, and it's very like okay simple, but the thing is when you go to the real market, the problem happen like which one I should pick now. Okay.
Right.
Right. This is a very
And
common.
always look.
Right. This is a very common thing in the market. Like now, which one I should pick? Which one I should pick? Then what we do, we says like the very simplest way. Look at this. You says this is a level. So we are going to talk about the A level now. Okay. This is the A level. Okay, sir. This is the A level.
Okay.
Clear? This is the A level. Trust me, if you understand this, just this, whatever we are going to learn in next few minutes, I personally believe your 50 to 60% chart reading is done. Okay?
Oh, amazing.
So this is your A, and what happened on here? What
We have
happened
a
on here?
breakout.
That's the breakout, right? That's the breakout. Clear? So you need to understand which breakout is valid and which one is not valid. That's it. Okay, sir. That's the key.
Oh,
That's the key to understand and key to trade two instrument. One you can call it gold, and another BTC. Okay, these are the two things you can trade on this. Now, this is the breakout that we says, right, sir? This is the breakout.
yes.
Now, if I say so, let's say